All right, what's up, everybody? A common question I see around on the internets is how many trades should I be taking per day or per session? Now, this definitely varies depending on the day, but every week is pretty much the same. You'll typically have one or two really active days, one or two really inactive days, and one or two average days. So, trading happens Monday through Friday. So, out of the 5 days, you usually only have like one dead day where there's not much going on. Also, it depends on the pairs you're trading. The major pairs tend to move pretty predictably throughout each day and throughout each week. Some of the cross pairs and the exotic pairs, I've seen them get stuck in a range for days or even weeks on end. All that in consideration, I say you can always get at least one good trade opportunity per session, usually at least two, and really more like four once you know all of the high probability patterns. That means if you trade two sessions, maybe trade both the London and the New York sessions like I do, you'll have at least between 4 and 8 really good trading opportunities for the day. This is good because it really only takes one good trade per day to make a nice income. So yeah, let's see. Let's actually just look. We'll take a look at last week's charts on the GBP USD. We'll see how many patterns we come across. I'm not going to look at the charts before recording the video. I'll just take a look and see what we can find. So last week, let's see. Start on the 19th. Let's see, July 19th. Okay. Okay. So this is the start of the London session right here. Well, look at that. We got a trade already. So this is a consolidation breakout here. So you could have taken a trade there. This was an okay trend continuation, but it would have failed. Here's another trend continuation. That one would have worked. This little breakout here would have failed. If you stayed in the trade from here, let's see, hold on. If you stayed in this trade from here, say you got it right here on the consolidation breakout, you would have gotten 77 pips. So really good trade there. All right, and then here's Tuesday. We got another breakout here. You could have gotten 1.25, but if you went for more than that, it would have failed up here. Nice trend continuation here. Oh, I forgot to count. That's what, four or five already. Another trend continuation here. Got an engulfing bottom here. Alright, so that was Tuesday. Here's Wednesday. We got a triple bottom with a nice rejection tail here. We got a trend continuation here. Another one here, another one here. That is a double top, but I wouldn't take it. If you did, it would have worked. We got a break and rest here. This was tradable, but not the best trade. Okay. Okay, what is this? This is, are we back? Okay, we're in Thursday now. This move is very overextended. You got an engulfing top here. Engulfing bottom here. And then this is Friday, right? Let's see. Yeah, so here's Friday. Trend continuation here. Breakout here. Engulfing bottom here. Engulfing top here. Yeah, so all in all, I mean, was that like 15, 20 trades for the week? So yeah, even on just one pair, yeah, as you can see, there's multiple trades throughout the day. So it's, let's see. That's just one pair. I usually trade 5 pairs, so the other 4 pairs probably had a similar amount of trades you could have taken. There's always an abundance of trades happening. When I first started, I used to think that maybe some days that I wouldn't be able to make any money, there won't be any trades for that day. That's never been the case, and it's been almost 5 years now. So unless something drastically changes, there's always trades throughout the day. One more thing, you want to be cautious of overtrading. That's when you're coming in and you're taking too many trades. You're getting anxious to try and cover a big loss, or you're in a hurry to make money, and that'll typically lead to more losses. So just make sure to trade with a level head and only take trades when there are valid patterns. Okay, so that's all for today. If you're a trader who needs more guidance, or maybe you're breaking even instead of profiting, make sure you check out the Profitable Forex Trading course over at ccxcollective.com. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys later.